Hi, I'm Darice, and this is my forever smile journey. It started out that I just came here on vacation, and I ended up getting a really bad infection in a tooth. Talked about just doing a full mouth extraction because I had a lot of dental problems for years, and we went for it, and I just never looked back. I always knew from day one that dentures were not for me. I knew that. And so that was what the hardest part of this process was, because I knew I had to go through that first. And from the minute that they put the first set in, I knew it just was not going to be me, that I wanted an implant from that moment on. I had bad experiences from an early age, and so I did not take care of my oral hygiene, in fact, to the point where my teeth were horrendous. Said, you really need to get this taken care of. We could pull the one tooth, or we can really start this journey. And I said, you're never going to get me in a dentist chair again, so let's just do it. Called my employer and said I'm staying, and they took all my teeth out the next day. All of them. It never felt transactional with you guys. Not once. And they were so kind and so gentle. What do I want to put my priority? Do I want my priority to be having extra money and being able to say, hey, I've got money in the bank, or be able to say that that money is going toward my total health and my quality of life? I chose Forever Smile and this particular facility for the doctors and for the care. They made me feel so at ease. They didn't feel judgmental. I didn't feel like I needed to explain myself. They just were very caring and really there for me. I'm proud of the team that they stayed with me, because I came from California, and every time they've been accommodating. I would say the easiest part was interacting with the staff and with being able to communicate with the doctor, and having that support made everything easy. Even today, if I go in for an adjustment, and as scared as I am and I know it's pain, I am at ease with knowing who's going to be caring for me. How much I've overcome and how much I've come through and where I'm at now. I'm so proud of myself. You invest in yourself, really. You take that investment, and if you're worth it, you invest in yourself. And you say, listen, your quality of life, there's not a price you can put on the quality of life. And I know that mine's only going to be better from here on out. It feels like amazing, like $1,000,000. It's incredible. I mean, I pretty much have a Mercedes in my mouth, and I'm gonna appreciate it. I have no problem smiling. It's a big smile. My forever smile journey started, um, and made my life better for the best, and I would never change it for anything.